Today I will show you how to put your WordPress website into maintenance mode without using a plugin. It's a quick and easy method, so let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on the Theme File Editor. If you can find this option, your hosting provider might have disabled it for security reason. You will need to access to your site's file via FTP or cPanel. In the theme file, locate the function.php file from the right hand file list. Here it is. Scroll to the bottom of the function.php file and paste the following code. You will find this code in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it. Now click on the update file. Now your site is officially in maintenance mode for non-admin users. You as the admin will still have full access to your site to make updates. Thank you for today.